Welcome to Module 4, Dictionary in Python. In this module, we will learn how dictionaries store data using key-value pairs and how to access and manipulate these values through code. This slide shows that dictionaries store data as key-value pairs. For example, name maps to Python, size maps to large. Unlike lists, we do not use index numbers. Instead, we use keys to retrieve values directly. A dictionary in Python is a collection of key-value pairs. Each key is connected to a value, and you can use a key to access the value associated with that key. A key's value can be a number, a string, a list, or even another dictionary. In Python, a dictionary is wrapped in braces, with a series of key-value pairs inside the braces. Example, alien_0 equals a color, green, points, 5 I here, color is the key, green is the value, points is the key, 5 is the value. Keys are used to access values efficiently. A Python dictionary stores data as key-value pairs, where each key is used to access its value. For example, the key name can retrieve a value like Alice. Dictionaries are ordered in Python 3.7 and above, changeable, and require unique keys. They provide an efficient way to organize and access structured data. In a dictionary, each key is connected to a value using a colon. For example, color, green. Multiple pairs are separated by commas. When we provide a key, Python searches for that key and returns its associated value. Let's look at this simple dictionary, alien_0 equals a color, green, and this contains only one key-value pair. Key, color, value, green. It stores one piece of information. Now examine this code step by step. Alien_1 equals a color, green, points, 5 I first, print, alien_1, color, Python looks for key, color, and retrieves its value. Output, green next, print, alien_1, points, output, 5 So dictionary values are accessed using keys, not positions. This slide introduces the get method. The key idea is, direct access may cause an error if the key does not exist. Get allows safe access by returning a default value. We will see this in the next example. To get the value associated with a key, give the name of the dictionary and then place the key inside a set of square brackets to return the value associated with the key in dictionaries. Here, alien_0 equals a color, green, a then, print, alien_0, color, Python searches for the key, color, and returns its value. Output, green. This is direct key-based access. Dictionaries are dynamic structures, and you can add new key-value pairs to a dictionary at any time. For example, to add a new key-value pair, you would give the name of the dictionary followed by the new key in square brackets along with the new value. Now, students equals a university, UITM, program, degree, then, print, students, output, university, UITM, program, degree, and this dictionary contains two key-value pairs. Now we add new entries. Students, code, equals EE250, this adds a new key-value pair. Students, total, equals 150, this adds another pair. Then, print, students, output, university, UITM, program, degree, code, EE250, total, 150, the dictionary expands dynamically. Each time we write, students, new_key, equals value. Python checks, if the key exists, update value. If not, create a new key-value pair so dictionaries can grow or update easily. Now we build a dictionary step by step. Alien_0 equals then, alien_0, color, equals, green, alien_0, points, equals 5 Finally, print, alien_0, output, color, green, points, 5 This shows how dictionaries can be created dynamically. Now we modify an existing value. Alien_0 equals a color, green, first, print, f, the alien is alien_0, color, dot. Output, the alien is green. Then, alien_0, color, equals yellow, second, print, f, the alien is now alien_0, color, dot. Output, the alien is now yellow. Assigning a new value replaces the previous value. Use the del statement to completely remove a key-value pair. Now we remove a key-value pair. Alien_0 equals of color, green, points, 5 I first, print, color, green, points, 5 I then, del alien_0, points, second, print, color, green, the key and its value are removed completely. Use get to safely access values without causing errors. Now, alien_0.get, points, no point value assigned. Since the key points does not exist, Python returns the default message. Output, no point value assigned. This prevents program errors. Common dictionary functions include keys, returns all keys values, returns all values items, returns key value pairs update, modifies dictionary pop, removes an item clear, removes all data. These functions help manage dictionary data effectively. To summarize, dictionaries store data as key value pairs, use keys for access instead of index, are flexible and changeable. They are very useful when data has a clear relationship between keys and values.